Hi everyone. In my last video, I reviewed the Naxa NR721 portable AM/FM radio that I paid $7.99 plus tax for. Well, I found a radio that's actually $1 cheaper. As a matter of fact, I'll show you the receipt. I got it at a place called Bargain Man, $6.99 plus tax. Unfortunately, I cannot return this radio. I can only exchange it with receipt within a week. So wish me luck on this radio. And speaking of radio, not only is this the first time I've ever paid for a radio $6.99 plus tax, but this is the first time I'm reviewing a radio for this particular brand. Here it is. The QFX R-9 9-band AM/FM shortwave classic style radio. The price is here, $6.99. So I figured, how bad can it be for a $7 multiband receiver? So I figured, why not give it a shot? I'll show you the box first. Here's the front of the box here, AM/FM shortwave 1 through 7. Some languages here. Requires 2 AAA batteries not included. The other side of the radio, their social media pages are here. So I'm going to open this thing up. Alright, there's some paperwork, instructions. This one's in English, so, and no language here. And then you get your warranty paper here, 1-year warranty. And then no language here. I have a bed next to me, so that's why I'm throwing things to the side. So don't worry, nothing's harmed there. And here's the radio. It has a wrist strap here, very small. I can hardly fit through it. There's your DX local switch here. Very hard to change. Then your AM and FM buttons here. And then there's your dial. It won't focus, so I'll bring it back a little. It's 76 to 108 FM, 530 to about 1600 AM, so no expanded band. And then we also have 7 different shortwave bands. I'm going to measure the speaker first. Well, I don't know if it's 1 inch or 2 inch because you see kind of 2 different circles. So this may actually be the speaker, which would be 1.5 inches. I thought it would be 2, but I think this is the actual speaker. And then I'm also going to measure the antenna. And the antenna will be a whopping, not very long. I'll say the antenna's about 12 3/4 to 13 inches there. I'll put it down for a minute because I haven't measured the radio itself. About 5 inches in length. Height's about 3 inches and a depth of about a little over 1 inch. Now on the sides, you have this tuning wheel here. The wrist strap attached. On the back of the radio, the frequencies in the back of any case here. And on the side is your volume wheel, which acts as the on-off button. Headphone jack, DC adapter. So I'm going to put some batteries. It says it requires AAA, so... And wait a minute. This looks awful big to require AAA batteries. I don't think... That can't be. I think they got this wrong. Yeah, I think this is wrong. Because look how small the batteries and look how big the case is. Wow, this is already bad. This is already bad, and I haven't even listened to the thing. I'm gonna try double A's. I think it's actually double A's. Yeah, you see? So, they've already misled the box. It should be AA batteries, not AAA. Wow. Maybe 2 hands in a radio is right. QFX is bad. Anyway, I think I'll just turn the thing on, start with FM, put the antenna up.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, everyone's on them. If you're...
I'm going to start with FM. Wow, look how off the dial is. I'm at 96 and it's on the Korean station.
I'm to the riverside, it being deep and
This is Alt 92.3. It's almost at 100. No, sorry. This is actually... Nope, my mistake. I think this is Alt 92.3. Yeah. 93.1 on more. Look where it is on the dial. It's at 101.
Seriously, it's shameful. I'm expecting.
Stan and Shay will be there. So, just first go to bike and...
What a big moment for Stanton. First year with the Yankees.
Subway, make it what you want.
Hey, New York.
Terms apply. Access what they want to say.
Wow, even WQXR isn't coming in that great.
40% offer, subject to credit approval.
Source for repairs. And then sunshine at about 73 tomorrow. 70.
Reception-wise, not bad, but the dial is way off. So, it's already bad. This is already bad. But let's see how shortwave goes. I'll start with number 1, since I have the antenna still up. Wish me luck. Is that bleed over from FM? My goodness. My goodness. I'm sorry. This is laughable. Let's go with 2. I'm getting stuff, but oh, finally, a shortwave station.
No one could pull it out of the ground except he that had a right to. I went to New York, but I didn't like it. When he came out of the garden, and at least the staff.
Good at 4. Five. Oh my goodness, this is bad. This is bad. My goodness. You're getting either AM or FM bleed on the shortwave bands. All right, what about AM?
Different because you're buying into a kind of a special sort of a neighborhood where you have different kinds of obligations. And I guess the closest thing would be to it if you or a townhouse where you had an HOA, homeowners association, that has certain kinds of rules that you have to.
Vladimir Putin that he meddled in the election, because if I say projects and pipelines in particular,
Kennedy, it is to remember, especially by opponents,
something like that hitting the news.
Fees are going to be higher in relation to the cost of the property than an HOA.
Wow,
fee
this
would
is
be.
bad.
And so the condominium association governs what goes on in the condominium, a lot of things that happen there. And then
I'm not going to waste my batteries on this anymore. That's it. I'm taking out the batteries because, wow. I mean, even the FM reception, even though that's not that bad, the dial's completely off. And then the shortwave, you get a few stations, but you're getting a lot of bleed over from, I don't know what, AM or FM, whatever. And then the medium wave is awful. I'm sorry. This is terrible. So, for the first time ever, and I'm actually going to keep this radio, one, because it's only $7, because I want to prove to everyone, as proof, that this radio is bad. So bad. So, this gets a 0. A big, fat 0. So, if you loved this review, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I don't blame you one bit. So, I hope everyone has a great weekend. So I gotta do a couple more things first. 1 and 2, I'm gonna show you the next radio, which I hope to have better luck with. The Supersonic SC1080BT. Now, I've seen fair to good reviews on this, so hopefully I'll have better luck with this radio. So, I hope you have a good weekend, everyone. I'm going to listen to this and do a full review on this in my next video. So have a good weekend, everyone, and God bless. Bye.